Okay, let us see first question. A car moving along a straight road with a speed of 108 km per hour is brought to stop within a distance 200 meter. Okay, within a distance of 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car? That means we have to find out A. A negative value will be obtained. And second question is how long does it take for the car to stop? Obviously, here what is given? Initial speed with what? The car is running. The car is running with what speed? V naught is equal to 108 kilometer per hour. Then second thing, it's brought to stop. Stop means its final velocity is equal to 0 kilometer per hour, right? And covering how much distance? 200 meter. So V equal to 200 meter. Now, what we have to find out? Retardation. So A, definitely it will be negative as the car is brought to stop. Final velocity will be 0 less as compared to the initial velocity. So A will be negative, right? And how long does it take the car to stop? So we want to find out T. Now, first of all, when you solve any numericals, first of all you have to check whether the unit system are same or not. So obviously this distance is given in 200 meter and here V is given in kilometer per hour. So first you have to convert that into meter per second. So 108 kilometer to meter, that is 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 second, right? So meter per second you can convert V0 108. Okay, so 0 get cancelled out. 36 3s are, so 3 into 10, that is equal to 30 meter per second. Very nice. So we are getting V naught 30 meter per second. Okay, one step is to be completed. You have converted into one unit system. Now A, how do we get A? So A is equal to, get D, we have three equations. From that second equation which we can apply, means third equation, D equal to V square minus V naught square upon 2A, right? This equation is applicable because we have to find out time also, so you cannot apply D equal to V naught T plus half AT square. If you apply that equation, you will have two variable, right? A and T. So apply this equation where you people can find out A, right? So what will have? A, when you subject A equal to V square minus V naught square upon 2 into D, just taking cross multiplication. So V square, final velocity is what? 0, minus V naught square, 30 into 30, 30 square, that is 900, right? Divided by, what will have? 2 into D. D is what? 200, right? So what we are getting? A is equal to minus 900 divided by 400, right? 0 get cancelled out. That means minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4, that is equal to minus 2.25 unit meter per second square. Just keep it in mind, we have already converted kilometer per hour into meter per second. So acceleration, that means retardation, as we have negative sign, as the car is brought to stop in steady condition, minus 2.25 meter per second square. The first answer we are getting equal to 2.25, magnitude of A is 2.25 meter per second square. Now the second, T, time, we have now A, we have B, we have V naught. So quite obviously this equation is very easy to find out T. What is that? First equation of kinematics, V naught plus AT is equal to V. To V equal to 0, we people know that is equal to V naught. V naught is what? 30 minus, as value of A is minus 2.25, as this is the case of retardation, 2.25 into t, right? That means what will get? 2.25 into t is equal to 30. That means t equal to 30 divided by 2.25. But 2.25 where we are getting? Here 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4, right? That means it will be equal to 30 into 4 divided by 9. Now 10 into 3, 30, 3 3s are 9, 40 by 3, right? So 40 by 3, that means something like 13 point something we will get in second. Okay, exactly if you calculate value of t, we will get 40 divided by, here I am doing 40 divided by 3. So 13 3s are 39, remaining 1. Okay, 0.03. So 13.3 second. Within that, the car come to steady condition, right? So this is what one of the questions based on uniform accelerated equation, kinematic equation. Second